Take your time and learn about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a very profitable investment if you take the time to learn the tips and tricks of the trade. Watching this video is a great first step to succeeding in your affiliate marketing venture. You are sure to find great tips that will improve the plan you have developed. Affiliate marketing is a great tool for bloggers all over the world. It enables them to generate an income by linking to business sites that sell what they are blogging about. If you have a great site with enough traffic, an affiliate link can be just what you need to pay for your domain or even some extra pocket money. One of the best ways to increase your affiliate expertise level is to study what other marketers are doing with similar products. By viewing their tactics, you will understand how they attract people to their sites and ultimately send them to the main company's site to become customers. It's a working method that can help you increase commissions. With the proper email tracking software, an affiliate can tell if his or her mail has been opened by the recipient. If it hasn't, you have two good options here. You can simply resend the mail again and hope they open it, or you can change the subject line to a more attention-grabbing title. High traffic to your website is what affiliate marketing companies look for. The more traffic you can get to visit your page, the more apt people are to click the link and buy the products that you are featuring. To gain more traffic, you have to expose your page to as many people as possible. Affiliate marketing tools that promise to take the place of knowledge, skills and abilities are a waste of time and money for beginners. While a seasoned affiliate marketer who understands how affiliate marketing works might benefit from some of this software, it is worthless for newbies. There is no substitute for simply wading in and getting your feet wet in the affiliate marketing world. With affiliate marketing, your site needs to be honest and trustworthy. Readers are smart, they know what an affiliate link is. You should not promote products you do not personally believe in, or put up too many ads. If your readers cannot trust you, they will not return. Incorporate these valuable tips in your affiliate marketing plan and you will reap the rewards. Much time and thought have been put into gathering this information for you to use. Take the time to absorb the information and apply it to your soon-to-be profitable affiliate marketing business. Student loan.